Jelly the boss was working very hard. In 2 days, he would be competing in a race against a race car. After Jelly finishes his jobs, he would train with his driver for the big race. His driver held a timer to time Jelly's run. When Jelly finished, his driver stops the timer. Boris jumped up next to them. The big day soon came. Everyone was there to see Jelly race against the race car. Just then, a green race car pulled up next to Jelly. Alfred and Jelly were shocked. They had never seen such a rude race car before. Jelly was now starting to get worried. Alfred noticed. And so Jelly went to the starting line. The race was about to begin. Mr. Tycoon was ready to start the race. They both set out side by side. Brick was in the lead. Desperate to win, Jelly sped up to catch up. Brick was going so fast that he crashed into some bushes. And so Jelly sped past Brick. Jelly soon saw the finish line up ahead. Everyone cheered as they saw Jelly. Brick sped up as fast as he could. Cal and Rev came up to congratulate Jelly. Then Brick came up. Everyone came over to cheer for Jelly and Brett for the great race, and Mr. Tycoon gave Jelly a gold medal for winning. Jelly was very happy. He'd won the race, and he made 3 new friends. Cal and Red came up to congratulate Jelly.